Unripe. These bananas are unripe. Rotten. These bananas are rotten. You must not eat them. Boiled. These eggs are boiled. Fried. This egg is fried. Chewy. Bubblegum is a chewy. Sweet. This candy is too sweet. Fresh. These breads are fresh. Ripe. The bananas are ripe, so we can eat them now. Better. These medicine taste better. Sour. Lemons have a sour taste. Spicy. Try not to eat too much spicy food. Salty. I added too much salt to the soup, and now it is too salty. Stale. These breads had gone stale.